Welcome to Tech Tide. Today we're taking innovation to new heights with the incredible flying car. The future of transportation is here, blending the freedom of flight with the convenience of driving. Imagine soaring above traffic jams and landing right at your destination. This isn't science fiction anymore. In this video, we'll explore the cutting-edge technology and design that make flying cars a reality. Buckle up, subscribe, and let's take off into the future together. KleinVision Flying Car. Introducing the KleinVision Flying Car, a revolutionary leap in personal transportation that blends automotive convenience with aviation innovation. This pioneering vehicle offers a transformative experience, seamlessly transitioning between driving and flying modes. The KleinVision Flying Car features a sleek aerodynamic design with retractable wings that extend for flight and fold away for road travel. With its advanced flight control systems and autopilot functionality, this vehicle ensures a smooth and safe flying experience. The transition between driving and flying is intuitive, allowing you to effortlessly switch modes based on your needs. Equipped with a powerful engine and high-performance avionics, the KleinVision Flying Car is designed for both urban and open-air travel. Its cutting-edge technology includes a sophisticated navigation system, ensuring precise control whether you're navigating city streets or soaring through the skies. Inside, the KleinVision offers a luxurious and comfortable cabin with modern amenities, making every journey enjoyable. Its eco-friendly design and fuel-efficient engine further enhance its appeal, aligning with the future of sustainable travel. With the KleinVision Flying Car, the future of personal transportation is here, offering unparalleled freedom and versatility in a single groundbreaking vehicle. Introducing the AeroMobil 5.0 Vision, the pinnacle of hybrid transportation technology. This groundbreaking vehicle seamlessly combines the convenience of a car with the excitement of an airplane, offering unmatched versatility and performance. The AEROMOBILE 5.0 Vision features cutting-edge technology that allows it to transition effortlessly between road and air travel. With its retractable wings and vertical takeoff and landing VTOL capabilities, this vehicle is perfect for navigating both congested city streets and open skies. The advanced navigation system, complete with state-of-the-art avionics and autopilot, ensures a safe and smooth flying experience. Designed with luxury in mind, the AEROMOBILE 5.0 Vision boasts a high-tech cockpit and a spacious, comfortable cabin. Its eco-friendly technologies further enhance its appeal, making it a sustainable choice for the future of personal transportation. Whether you're commuting through traffic or soaring above it, the AEROMOBILE 5.0 Vision delivers a unique blend of comfort, style, and innovation. Welcome to the future of travel. XPeng AeroHT Flying Car. Next, the XPeng AeroHT Flying Car, the latest innovation in personal transportation that combines the convenience of a car with the freedom of flight. This futuristic vehicle is designed to redefine mobility with its advanced features and cutting-edge technology. The XPeng AeroHT boasts a sleek and modern design, equipped with retractable wings that enable it to transition seamlessly between driving and flying modes. The transition is smooth and intuitive, allowing drivers to effortlessly switch from road travel to aerial flight. Powered by a high-performance electric propulsion system, the AEROHT offers both eco-friendly operation and impressive efficiency. Its advanced flight control systems and autopilot features ensure a stable and safe flying experience, while its robust engine provides powerful performance on the road. Inside, the XPeng AeroHT is designed for comfort and convenience, featuring a luxurious cabin with state-of-the-art technology and amenities. The vehicle includes an advanced navigation system and a user-friendly interface, enhancing the driving and flying experience. With its focus on innovation and sustainability, the XPeng AeroHT Flying Car is a glimpse into the future of personal transportation, offering a new level of freedom and versatility for modern travelers. XPeng X2. Meet the XPeng X2, a revolutionary leap in personal transportation that blends the convenience of a car with the freedom of flying. This cutting-edge flying car offers a seamless transition between road and air travel, thanks to its retractable wings and advanced propulsion system. Designed with sleek aerodynamic lines, the XPeng X2 is both compact and efficient, making it ideal for navigating urban environments as well as taking to the skies. Powered entirely by electricity, it provides a sustainable travel solution with zero emissions. The XPeng X2 boasts autonomous flying capabilities and smart navigation, ensuring a smooth and safe journey. Its intuitive controls and advanced sensors make it user-friendly, while the sophisticated cabin ensures a comfortable ride with modern amenities. This innovative vehicle embodies the future of transportation, merging state-of-the-art technology with practical functionality for an unparalleled travel experience. PAL V Liberty. Introducing the PAL V Liberty, a groundbreaking vehicle that merges the thrill of flying with the convenience of driving. As one of the most advanced flying cars on the market, the Liberty combines the versatility of a road vehicle with the freedom of an aircraft. This remarkable vehicle features a unique design that transforms from a car to a gyroplane, allowing you to seamlessly transition between road and air travel. The Liberty's retractable rotor blades and foldable tail enable it to operate efficiently in both environments. On the road, the PAL V Liberty offers a comfortable and smooth driving experience, equipped with a powerful engine and responsive handling. When it's time to take to the skies, the vehicle's aerodynamic design and robust flight system ensure a stable and exhilarating flight. The PAL V Liberty is designed with safety and convenience in mind, featuring advanced avionics, a high-tech navigation system, and a comfortable cockpit. This innovative vehicle represents the future of personal transportation, offering a versatile and thrilling travel experience. Blackfly. Imagine a personal aircraft that feels as intuitive and accessible as driving a car. Enter the Blackfly. This remarkable vehicle revolutionizes personal transportation with its unique design and functionality. Unlike traditional aircraft, the Blackfly offers a vertical takeoff and landing VTOL capability, allowing it to navigate tight urban spaces effortlessly. Its all-electric propulsion system ensures a smooth, quiet ride while significantly reducing your carbon footprint. With a user-friendly interface, the Blackfly makes flying as simple as possible, even for those new to aviation. This innovative aircraft is perfect for short commutes and offers a futuristic glimpse into the future of personal air travel. Terrafugia TF-X. Step into the future of transportation with the Terrafugia TF-X, a revolutionary hybrid flying car that's set to transform how we think about travel. Combining the convenience of a car with the capabilities of an aircraft, the TF-X boasts a sleek, futuristic design and advanced technology to ensure a seamless experience both on the ground and in the air. This vehicle features vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities, allowing it to operate from compact spaces such as driveways or small helipads. With its advanced propulsion system, the TF-X promises efficient travel, boasting a range that covers both long-distance flights and everyday commutes. The car is equipped with automated flight systems for ease of operation, making it accessible even for those without a pilot's license. The Terrafugia TF-X is not just a vehicle. It's a leap toward a new era of personal mobility, designed to bring the freedom of the skies to your daily routine. Samson Switchblade Flying Car. Introducing the Samson Switchblade, a groundbreaking flying car that combines the practicality of a road vehicle with the thrill of personal aviation. This innovative vehicle stands out with its unique foldable wings, allowing it to seamlessly transition between driving on the road and flying through the sky. The Switchblade features a robust design that supports both aerodynamic efficiency and road performance. When it's time to take off, the wings unfold automatically, and the vehicle's advanced propulsion system powers it into the air with ease. On the ground, the Samson Switchblade operates as a standard car, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. Equipped with a powerful engine and advanced navigation systems, the Switchblade ensures a safe and enjoyable flying experience. Its compact design allows for easy parking and storage, making it a versatile choice for those looking to revolutionize their travel. With the Samson Switchblade, the future of personal transportation is here, offering a blend of innovation, convenience, and excitement. AeroMobil 4.0. Meet the AeroMobil 4.0, a visionary leap in personal transportation that merges the convenience of a luxury car with the freedom of flying. This advanced vehicle embodies the next generation of mobility with its sleek design and cutting-edge technology. The AeroMobil 4.0 features an elegant aerodynamic profile equipped with retractable wings that transform it from a high-performance road car into a nimble aircraft. When on the ground, it offers a smooth, comfortable drive with all the amenities of a premium vehicle. Once you're ready to take to the skies, the transition is effortless, with the wings deploying and the vehicle seamlessly lifting off. Powered by a sophisticated hybrid propulsion system, the AeroMobil 4.0 delivers impressive performance both in the air and on the road. Its state-of-the-art avionics and navigation systems ensure a safe and intuitive flying experience, while its intelligent design allows for easy storage and parking. The AeroMobil 4.0 is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of the future of transportation, combining the best of both worlds into one extraordinary machine. The Hoverbike S3 represents a revolutionary leap in personal flying technology, blending the thrill of motorcycling with the freedom of flight. This cutting-edge vehicle brings a new dimension to personal transportation with its unique design and advanced capabilities. Featuring a sleek aerodynamic frame, the Hoverbike S3 is equipped with powerful electric motors that enable vertical takeoff and landing. Its compact size and lightweight structure make it highly maneuverable, allowing for a dynamic and exhilarating flying experience. The hovercraft's intuitive controls and stabilization systems provide a smooth ride, whether you're gliding through the air or navigating tight spaces. With a range of up to 50 kilometers on a single charge, the Hoverbike S3 is ideal for short commutes or adventurous flights. The vehicle's advanced safety features, including collision avoidance systems and emergency landing protocols, ensure a secure journey. The Hoverbike S3 stands out as a game-changer in personal aerial transport, offering a glimpse into the future of mobility with its innovative technology and thrilling performance.